ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸೇವೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಗಳಿಸಿರುವುದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ. ನಗರದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಗುಣಮುಖರಾಗಲು ಬರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ನುರಿತ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂಳೆ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಕೀಲು ಮರುಜೋಡಣಾ ತಜ್ಞರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಚಾಂಡಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್, ಆರ್ಥರೈಟಿಸ್, ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾಮಾ ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಂದೇ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದೆ.
Good morning. My name is Dr. Thomas Chandy. I am the Director and Chief of Orthopedics of HOSMAT Hospital, Bangalore. It is purely an orthopedic and accident hospital and a neuro hospital. HOSMAT started 27 years ago when I came back from the United States. When we started, there was no hospital specializing purely in orthopedics and accident trauma. Accident trauma means comprehensive accident trauma, everything, whether it's a head injury or a chest injury or a face injury, hotte injury. There was no hospital specializing exclusively. Even today there is no hospital specializing exclusively in these fields, plus neurosurgery. HOSMAT has been in the forefront of that, and HOSMAT Hospital is located in the middle of Bangalore, Magarath Road near Garuda Mall and the football stadium. Now, HOSMAT has now grown to be the largest orthopedic hospitals in India, altogether 350 to 375 beds. And we specialize in all types of accidents, injuries, falls at home, broken bones, then joint replacement, arthroscopy.
ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೇವೆಗಳು, ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು, ಶುಶ್ರೂಷಾ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳು, ಮೂಳೆ, ಸಂಧಿವಾತ, ನರರೋಗ, ಅಪಘಾತ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳಿಗಿರುವ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
What is joint replacement arthroscopy? Plus we also specialize in back problems, bennale, kattano, neck pain, back pain, problems with the older patients when they fall down, hand injuries, polio, making the leg back to normal, children's orthopedics, bone cancer. We are specializing in all of these fields related to bone and joint. Plus we are also a neuro hospital. That means brain operations, spine, back operations, head injuries, accident head injuries, and neurological problems. In a knee replacement, we are changing the lining of the knee. The knee joint is made up of three bones, tode mola, kal mola, and the mandi chip, also called the kneecap bone. So we change the lining of the knee. Knee replacement patients are misunderstanding. This is a plastic model of a knee replacement. As you can see, that is white color of the kneecap is a special plastic called high density polyethylene. This white color here you see is the plastic lining of the leg bone, and this black color is the lining of the thigh bone. Tode mola is after all a round bone, like my fist, so we put a cap. So that is a knee replacement, and the patient has good bending and is able to sit on the floor, can climb steps, can walk 3-4 kilometers.
ಒಂದು 1 ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಯ್ನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವಾರ ಸುತ್ತು ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕಾಲು ಶೇಕ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು ನಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ.
ಹಿಪ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಂಟದ ಮೂಲ ಹಾಗೂ ತೊಡೆ ಮೂಲೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರುವ ಕೀಲು. ಇದು ಬಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಕೆಟ್ ತರಹ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ಟಿಯೋಆರ್ಥರೈಟಿಸ್, ರೂಮಟಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಥರೈಟಿಸ್, ಎವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೆಕ್ರೋಸಿಸ್ ನಂತಹ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಾಗ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದಾಗ ಹಿಪ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಬಹುದು. ಈ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 100% ನೋವು ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. How long do these replacements last? Normally they will last at least 15-20 years. The hip replacement and knee replacement. If the patient is slim, thin, then it will last a more number of years. If the patient is very heavy, then the number of years gets less. So what we do when patients are overweight, we'll do the operation and tell them after 2 months, 3 months, you please need to walk every day for 2 to 3 kilometers and lose weight plus diet. And because there is no pain, novilla, salpakoda novilla, they're able to do that and do exercise walking. And complications in replacement, HOSMAT is the first hospital in India in 93 to have a separate operation theatre only for joint replacement. HOSMAT being a bone and joint hospital, we've got 12 operation theatres, and now we have 2 operation theatres only for bone and joint replacement. So no other operation is done there. So infection is 0, equal to some of the best hospitals in the United States where we don't get any infection. Kivila, no infection. Passilla. Suppose the patient has a ligament damage. It looks called a ligament. Inside there is a ligament. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಂಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕುಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, like a bushing or a washer. That is a common injury called meniscus, this brown color. Or this kneecap bone, mandi chip, is giving trouble and trouble of climbing steps, metal hatra novu irutte. That problems are common, so we deal with those with arthroscopy. Arthroscopy means mandi open madala, cut madala. We put a small telescope half the size inside the knee with the camera. The picture is on a TV screen and we'll do the operation. This is usually patients who fall down or a motorcycle accident, or when playing sports they will damage their ligaments. So we correct it and do that without any cutting, without any opening, and no blood loss. Patients can go back to playing sports. This is called arthroscopy, and we do large number of arthroscopies in HOSMAT. Knee and hip replacement and arthroscopies, we do thousands of them.
ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಖರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಖರ್ಚೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದು ಇದು ಏನೂ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟು ಊಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಖರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟು. HOSMAT ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಸುಮಾರು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಸುಮಾರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, HOSMAT ಹೋಗು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 3 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸರ್.
The other common operation done in HOSMAT is a back and spine operation. ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಇದು ನರ ಇದೆ. There are nerves coming from the spine on both sides, right and left side. These nerves go to the leg. And one common problem is called a disc which has come out. If you see this grey color, this is called a disc. It's like a cushion between the bones in the back. So when that cushion comes out, that is called a slip disc. That disc comes out and presses on the nerve. Narad mela pressure there. So that gives a lot of pain, back pain and leg pain. So all orthopedic problems, first we will treat without any operation. Patients are treated with medicines, exercises, etc. But when the pain is too much and the patient cannot function, whether it is the knee joint or hip joint or the ankle joint or shoulder joint, and the pain is too much and not helping with medicines and exercises, then only we recommend operation. So in the back spine, what we do is we do a microsurgery. We just trim the disc without removing the disc. And in patients who are older patients, like 55, 60, 65 over, sometimes they may need a bone operation also, and to correct it permanently. In the arthroscopy, we also do shoulder arthroscopy, which is a very common problem. Shoulder gives pain, not able to bring the hand up like that, difficulty sleeping at night, not able to put their underwear, underclothes, trouble when using soap during bath. thus cause a shoulder problem. There also, after medical treatment, if it's not working, we do arthroscopy and we correct that problem. Now, then there is also foot and ankle problems. We have children's orthopedics. Children are different than adults. Their bones are different, so they are treated differently. HOSMAT, like other major orthopedic centers, has the facility of doing non-invasive. Non-invasive means open model. Without actually doing open, we do keyhole operation. Suppose Kalmula, the leg bone is broken and we have to put the bone back. Suppose it is broken like this. We will put the bone back without operation during the operation time, but without cutting. And then from the top, we have, each operation theatre has a TV X-ray. So using the TV X-ray, we will put a rod from the top to the bottom without even opening the broken part. That is called non-invasive keyhole operation. We do that for most of our broken bones, and it works very well, and patient's recovery is very fast. They can go back to activities, go back to job, etc. Then we have, in each of these, we have specialists in that. For example, we have a specialist only for the hand and this part of the body, hand and forearm and arm. We also do in children. Sometimes they're born with, birth problems, deformities. The leg is crooked, they're born like that. The hand is crooked, the spine is bent like that. We correct those. And in patients who have what is called as a cerebral palsy, their term is called spastics. The muscles are stiff. So there's medical treatment, and there's also operations to correct that. And there are also operations if somebody has a broken leg, the leg becomes short, or if he's had polio in the past, the leg has become short, we want to make it long again. There is an operation to do that called the Ilizarov. We specialize in that. So we do all kinds of bone and joint, nerve, spine, head, neurological problems. And also HOSMAT specializes in plastic surgery. And we also have been doing gastroenterology. That means stomach problem. We have specialized equipment. We have gastroenterologists, surgeons and medical urologists. We have the lithotripsy, that is the non-invasive kidney stone treatment, where we can blast the kidney stone by just like a scanning machine without any cutting. And if a patient has to have an operation for kidney stones, we have the endoscopy without any opening. We pass a small tube from below, and we can by laser, we can actually smash those stones, kidney stones, and bring them out. So that is also what we specialize in. And HOSMAT has been there, this is our 28th year, and we pride ourselves in the best results and happy patients. And we have excellent facilities, the rooms. We have a large ICU of 25 beds here, and in the hospital, second hospital, we have an ICU of 15 beds, which is very important, including ventilators.
ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದ ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಮಟ್ಟದ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಸಾಧನಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಗ್ರಮಾನ್ಯ ನುರಿತ ವೈದ್ಯರ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಹಾಯ ತಂಡಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸೇವೆ ಒದಗಿಸುವುದೊಂದೇ ತನ್ನ ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ. ಸಾವಿರಾರು ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರ ಮನದಾಳದ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ, ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನೇ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಡೆದಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಚಾಂಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಡೀ ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಗರದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಖೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Normally, most of our operations in HOSMAT is done with local anesthesia. That is, all the arm and leg operations is given with a block. For the arms, we give a block for the nerve here, and the arm is numb. Sensation is less for a few hours when we do the operation. Only for the spine and neck and head operations, the patient is given a full anesthesia. Otherwise, most of the time it is blocks, and it's very comfortable for the patients, and there's no pain. By evening, the patient's sensation has come back, and next day, patient is able to go home. Even the major broken bones, the patient is made to walk the next day, and we start with physiotherapy. We have a very active physiotherapy department. They'll start exercises right away, immediately. And then we have a home care physiotherapy department that they will come to the house.
ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಏಟಾಗಿತ್ತು ಕಾಲು, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ TCH ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಸಾಲ ಸೌದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಪೇಯ್ನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ನೋವಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I see sportsmen and women from all type of fields. Many of the Indian cricketers and Bangladesh cricketers have been treated by me and by my sports medicine specialist in HOSMAT, and both for medical treatment and for arthroscopy. And the board of control for cricket in India frequently sends the patients here for cricketers here for evaluation, as well as to do the bone density and the fat analysis. That is a machine that tests the bone density, which we also do for older women over 45 to test the bone strength, bone density, to see if there's what is called osteoporosis.
ಈ ಮಿಷನ್ನ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೋನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ, ಕೊಬ್ಬಿನ ಅಂಶ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿ, MS ಧೋನಿ ಆಗಲಿ, KL ರಾಹುಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟಿಂದ ಮಿಥಾಲಿ ರಾಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಟ್ರೈನರು ಡಯಟ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಬ್ಬಿನಾಂಶ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಕೊಬ್ಬಿನಾಂಶ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವಾಗ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಯಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಈ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
We have a microvascular department. Microvascular means a plastic surgeon and hand surgeon, suppose your fingers are cut from a machine or a major knife or an accident, we can attach it back using a special surgical microscope which is 6 feet tall to magnify the image, and the small arteries where the blood supplied, the nerves, we can attach it back again, called microvascular, called replantation. We have also been training orthopedic surgeons. We have a postgraduate course in HOSMAT, which is a degree under the national boards for orthopedic surgeons after the MBBS and after the diploma in orthopedics. It's a 3-year course, and when they pass out, they pass a very strict exam, which is a national exam, and they become consultants. So HOSMAT has been in the forefront of teaching. We also have fellowships. That means doctors who finish the postgraduate degree, they're also already orthopedic surgeons, and they want to further specialize in joint replacement, in arthroscopy, sports medicine, spine surgery, hand surgery, and orthopedic accidents, trauma. We have fellowships in that called super specialties. So HOSMAT is one of the few hospitals that has so much of postgraduate training programs, and also we have the degree called the DNB national boards. HOSMAT is tied up with all the insurances, and we are approved under the National Board of Health, NABH, which is a very stringent criteria to be accepted by NABH, plus the ISO, Indian Standards Organization. We have been approved by both of them to maintain the high standards. Then we have a charitable organization for children. Now, children are sometimes born with what is called deformities. Karl bend like this, they are walking like this, or hip is dislocated, or they are walking, with the knee bent like that down, they cannot stand up straight. Or the spine, the back is bent like this, or the neck is turned to one side, the hand is crooked, or they had an injury in childhood, or they had polio. So we have a charitable organization called Make Me Walk. And we do that for poor children to make the children walk again. And we depend and we get help from philanthropists to help in this. But we have helped many children to either to walk or to get back to a useful life. So also children with cerebral palsy, neurological problems, where they need a surgery, to get them to be able to be a part of society, we are able to help them. So that is also an important part of what HOSMAT does, the charitable work. Thank you very much.
ರೋಗ ಬರದಿರಲಿ, ಬಾಧೆ ಆಗದಿರಲಿ, ಹಾಗೊಂದು ವೇಳೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸಲಹೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಸೇವೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಾಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ನಂತಹ ಸರ್ವಸನ್ನದ್ಧವಾಗಿರುವ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ಕೃಷ್ಟ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯೊಂದರಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತ ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.